This is the 12th video on the C7 rifle. In this video, you will be shown how to handle and fire a rifle from behind cover. In the defense, fighting is normally done from a fire trench. In the attack, or when patrolling, the soldier makes the best use of cover for protection from the enemy and to provide a concealed fire position. When using cover, always try to rest the forearm for more accurate shooting. If this is not possible, then rest the rifle on the cover as close to the hand as possible. Do not rest the barrel of the weapon on the cover, as this will cause the shot fired to be displaced. No matter how cover is used, the 4 marksmanship principles must be applied to bring effective fire on the target. When selecting a fire position, there are several factors to consider. The ideal fire position is one which allows the soldier free use of a personal weapon and grenades, provides cover from artillery and small arms fire, as well as cover from view, and allows an unobstructed view of a wide arc of fire. The trench is the basic fighting position used in the defense. To get the best position, use the right corner of the trench. Place both elbows on the elbow rest and forearm against the cover. Left-handed firers use the left corner. If the trench is shallow, kneeling, squatting, or standing with the feet apart will lower the position. If the trench is deep, standing on an ammunition box or sandbag will allow the firer to use the elbow rest and parapet more effectively. When on the move, either in the attack or on patrol, it is important for the soldier to realize that cover from view does not necessarily mean cover from fire. Scrub will not provide cover from fire, but may give cover from view. When firing from scrub, the squatting or kneeling position may be used for short periods. If the position is to be occupied for some time, use the sitting position, which is the least tiring. Sometimes, firing from the lower branches of large trees provides a better view of the arc of fire. When using low banks and folds in the ground for cover, muzzle clearance is kept as close to the top of the bank or the crest of the fold as possible to give maximum protection to the firer. The shape of the ground may necessitate lying at a greater angle to the line of fire than in normal. In street fighting, walls and houses provide useful cover for firing positions. When possible, remove a few bricks near ground level and fire through the wall rather than over the top. A wall 1 brick thick does not give much protection from fire, but is useful for concealment. Fire around the right side of cover unless better concealment is being afforded by shadow on the other side. If the cover is narrow, get directly behind it and keep the legs together. The use of cover will slow the tempo of a battle and often allow the soldier to take deliberate, aimed shots. By resting the forearm wherever possible, the firing position will be more stable and the accuracy of the shooting will be increased. Regardless of the firing position or type of cover being used, always apply the marksmanship principles. Cover can provide a soldier with protection from fire and from view, but is ineffective if the target cannot be accurately engaged.